Welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Facebook on desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in www.facebook.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on the login page of Facebook. Now, in order to log in, at the right hand side of this interface, you will see login form. There, enter your email or phone number associated with your Facebook account. And under that, enter your correct password that you have created while creating a Facebook account. If you forgot your password, you can simply recover your password if you click on this link that says forgot password and follow the procedure to recover your password. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can create a new account if you click on create new account and follow the procedure to create an account. Now once you're done typing in your email and your password, click on login button and you will be successfully logged into your Facebook account. So that's how you can log into Facebook on desktop. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.